Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and healthy in your home. Today is your English calligraphy class, so let's start it. Firstly, we are writing. We are writing a word spaceship. Say spelling of spaceship. SPACE spaceship SHIP ship. Let's start. Spaceship. Start near the red line. S. Make curve, slant line, touch the red line, go back. S P A C E space. S P A C E space ship. SHIP ship. S H I P ship. Space ship. See spelling of space ship. SPACE SHIP ship. Space ship. Once again, make curve, slant line, touch the red line, go back. Spaceship. SPACE space ship. SHIP ship. Do practice in this line neatly. Write in a proper way, neat and clean. Send right. Next we are writing here sentence. One fish infects the wall water. One fish infects the wall water. Yes, let's start. One fish. Yes. FISH. One fish. Yes. Infect. Say spelling of infect. 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 One fish infects the wall water. WHOLE wall water. Wall water. एक मछली सारे पानी को गंदा कर देती है. एक बुरा व्यक्ति सबको मीन्स खराब कर देता है. वन फिश infect the wall water. Do practice in this line. Say and write. And next we are writing here difficult words. Cupcakes. Make curve, slant line, touch the red line. CUP cupcakes. CAKES cupcakes. CUP cupcakes. CAKES cakes. And next we are writing here fluffy. Fluffy. Make a come down. FLUFFY. Fluffy. And do practice in this next two lines. Cupcakes and fluffy. Next we are writing here kittens. Say spelling of kittens. KITTENS kittens. KITTENS kittens. Kittens. And next we are writing here children. Children. Yes. CHIL. Yes. DREN. Children. Say and write. Do practice. Next two lines. Kittens. Children's. Kittens. Children. Cupcakes. Fluffy. It's a sentence. One fish infects the wall water. Wall water. Spaceship. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.